It's the next day, and I discovered when I checked under this valve on this pipe, all right, now it seems dry, but I felt moisture on it earlier. And it's probably because I reused the nut and ferrule here when I put the new valve on. So I'm going to replace those. I've already turned off the water main again. So this is going to be the bonus leak repair footage. It's just so difficult to work in this cramped space. That ferrule is actually loose. I might be able to just pop it off of there. So these compression fittings have a ferrule, which is just a brass ring that goes around the pipe, and then the fitting goes on here, and then the nut somewhat compresses the ferrule, which forms a seal around the pipe. And it's off. This is what the ferrule looks like, and it actually looks to be in good condition. But what I'm going to do is clean this off. There's a lot of oxidation on here. I'm going to clean off the end, replace the ferrule and the nut, because new ones came with this new valve. So I'll use the ones that came with the valve, and that should solve the problem. Okay. Okay, this happens to be 180 grit. There's the new nut, the new ferrule. Oh, wait a minute. It's not necessarily required to put any pipe sealant on it, pipe thread sealant, but I'm going to use a little bit of this just to make sure it has a good seal. Normally you don't need it, but I don't want to get under this sink again. So I'm going to put it on there. There's the new ferrule. And that shouldn't stay dry if the rest of it isn't. So there we go. Oops. New nut and ferrule on there. And just tighten up this replacement valve. Nice and snug, don't over tighten it. And I'll turn this off so when I turn the water pressure back on I can see if there's any drips there before I allow water to go up into the fixture. Time to turn the water back on. There's the water meter spinning as the system pressurizes. If there's a fixture like a toilet that needs to refill, it'll keep spinning until that's full. Or if I have a mega leak upstairs, which I don't think I do. Gotta let all the air out of the system from every sink in the house, really. Okay, that's good enough for now. That's good enough for now. There, it stopped. Okay. I just have to check for leaks. And so far, dry as a bone. So I'll go ahead and I'm not detecting any water leaks, but I'll have to check back later and see.